Welcome to Mobility Everyday video. Today we're going to be doing movements that are suitable for people over the age 45 because this is where we really feel the difference in our body as in more stiffness becomes apparent. We probably need more mobility moves at this point than we ever did in the earlier parts of our lives. So here we are doing simple moves to start with to prevent stiffness. Let's start. I'm going to show you the movements from the side and we're going to do a very slow and deliberate roll down. So stand with your legs hip width apart and slowly roll down till about the level that you're comfortable with, not too low. Let your arms dangle and hang and slowly roll back up. Only go down to where you feel comfortable as in make sure there's no pulling in your lower back. Curl down with your head, neck, shoulders, and slowly let your upper body and the rest of the spine be pliable. Going downwards, hanging your arms. As you come up also, make sure you let your arms hang loose. Moving your body one part at a time here. Head, neck, shoulders, upper spine, mid-spine. See if you can slowly also start to curl your lower back and coming up. It's important to note that your legs need to be as straight as possible. You keep your legs straight so that it provides a perfect support for you, for your spine to be free while you try to roll down. Now stand with your legs wider than hip width apart. We're going to start to move the pelvis, shifting it from side to side. By shifting it from side to side, we are essentially stretching the inner thighs of the opposite side, as well as the side of our hips here. We're going to start to have both arms with the palms forward here and bring it up one at a time here, alternately. Note that the arm that is up has the palm facing back. It's just a natural movement of the arms here. We just follow what the body is meant to do. Again, keeping your legs very straight here, as straight as you can, because we want to provide our body with good support. Now, transition back to moving the pelvis from side to side as we did just now, but this time shifting a little bit faster. Slowly shifting it faster, that's because our body should have gradually let go of the stiffness here. And now back to the other movement where we bring our arm up alternately. This time as you bring one arm up, arch the spine a little bit, looking diagonally up here. So instead of just the arms movement now, we are also involving the thoracic spine in an arching motion. Keeping the legs straight and start to shift your pelvis from side to side, moving a little bit faster still from what you did just now. We want the tightness to release more and more. We want the stiffness to move away with this very elastic motion of the pelvis. Back to the arm movements. Now it includes the thoracic spine, arching even more. Straightening your elbows, spreading your fingers as you do that. And from here, have both palms face forward. keeping your arms at shoulder height here, crossing in front and opening up to the sides. Arching the spine a little bit as you open the arms to the side, keeping it at shoulders height here. When you bring your arms to the center, make sure one is above the other, like you're stacking the palms up. And when you bring the arms in, make sure to curl the spine a little bit, looking down. Now the reason why we need to look down a little bit so that it helps with the curl when you bring the arms to the center, arching a little bit as we open our arms to the side, stretching the chest across the collarbone. It will help us to mobilize the spine more here with the slight curl and slight arching motion, facilitated by the arms and the slight shoulder movements here. You may find that doing mobility moves is not a one-dimensional movement where you focus only on one part of the body at a time. That's quite impossible because we are not targeting any muscle contraction here. We are expanding the body so that we have space in our joints and freedom in our body. Therefore, different parts of the body work together collaboratively. So here, if you like, you exhale as you curl. Inhale as you arch, expanding your arms to the side. And just to show you how it looks from the side here, this is how much you can curl and how much you can arch. And with that, I'm going to end today's repertoire here. Short and sweet, simple moves that you can keep doing. It's low impact. It helps us to be more agile and definitely preventing stiffness. So like and subscribe, I would appreciate it a lot. It will help me to grow my channel. Keep moving, keep getting better, and I'll see you again very soon in the next video.